We have found a bullet-ridden dead body on the road. I cannot work in such class-ridden society. Elections cannot be held in such tension-filled atmosphere. Unfortunately, the guilt-ridden girl committed suicide. I don't want to become the CM of a debt-ridden state. Fine. In these 5 sentences, what is the similarity? The similarity is this: bullet-ridden, class-ridden, tension-ridden, guilt-ridden, and debt-ridden. These 5 words are followed by ridden, and ridden is preceded by a noun. In the word bullet-ridden, bullet is a noun, ridden is an adjective. So this type of combination is called compound word. We also call it word formation. So word formation is an important part of English vocabulary. We can make our sentences very accurate and precise, and we can add some maturity to our language. So in this video, we are going to learn about one such compound word where the suffix is ridden. So bullet-ridden, class-ridden, disease-ridden, drought-ridden, snake-ridden, rat-ridden. These are the examples. So how to make sentences with these words, and what is the meaning and how they help us? Let us try to see in this video. Take a look. In these 5 sentences, we find ridden preceded by noun. Ridden meaning full of something unpleasant or bad. Ridden meaning something unwanted, unpleasant is in large or excessive amount. Noun plus ridden equal to adjective. Noun plus ridden gives us an adjective. Bullet is a noun, ridden is an adjective. Bullet-ridden is an adjective. If these 2 words are put together, they function as an adjective. For example, snake-ridden field, meaning the field is full of snakes. Pollution-ridden city, meaning city is full of pollution. Disease-ridden slums, meaning slums have large number of diseases. Storm-ridden state, meaning the state frequently faces the problem of storms. Debt-ridden factory, meaning the factory is full of debts. So this is the way ridden helps us in formation of the sentence. Examples: please don't show such violence-ridden movies to kids, meaning these movies have large amount of violence, so don't show them to kids. Second example: the debt-ridden businessman escaped from the country, meaning the businessman got into large amount of debts, so he ran away from the country. Students cannot learn anything in this fear-ridden campus, meaning there is lot of fear in the campus, so children cannot learn anything here. You are storing biscuits in rat-ridden kitchen, meaning the kitchen has lot of rats. The kitchen is full of rats. You are storing biscuits in such kitchen. Our volunteers are ready to work in flood-ridden states, meaning our volunteers are willing to work, ready to work in the states where there were too many floods, where there are too many floods. Let us try to see some more examples. It is a cliche-ridden speech. No police officer is willing to work in faction-ridden states. we are not able to increase the production in this strike-ridden factory. You should not practice driving along this traffic-ridden road. The corruption-ridden customs department cannot stop the smuggling of gold. Poor people live in disease-ridden slums. Software companies cannot be established in this storm-ridden state. Don't subscribe this gossip-ridden newspaper. Farmers are not afraid of going to snake-ridden fields. Children in pollution-ridden places develop health issues. So I hope you have learnt how to use the compound word noun plus ridden. So keep learning more such compound words, more such word formation techniques in our coming videos. And do not forget to subscribe the channel JBK English Videos and Classes. Please do like the videos and share the videos. Have a great time. Keep learning English language.